Hi there, I'm Shelley, Seb's behind the camera.
Right.
And today we're going to show you how to make from this brick mould a table decoration for the Christmas time. I'm going to now use this brick form and take some floral foam, which I'm going to put inside this brick form, and then going to wedge it into place using these pieces of wood, because the foam is actually just a little bit smaller than the box itself. Once I've done that, I'm then going to cover everything with some fresh moss from the garden. We're now going to create the table decoration. I've got these candle holders, 4 of them, because we're going to use these sort of candlesticks. Then I've got some stars that are from bark. I've got 3 Christmas tree balls, plus I've got all the different types of greenery that I'm going to use. There's a bit of ivory and there's a bit of conifer. And some cones, and I'm going to put the candles on this side, and on this side I'm going to decorate. Table decoration is now finished, and it should be able to look at it from all the different angles, and we will see you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye bye.